Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the slow-mo settings and the phone state. Open camera, tap slow-mo, and confirm 120 or 240 FPS. The higher rate uses more space. Once done, free 12 GB, delete videos or offload apps because low storage causes dropped frames. Make sure to close heavy background apps and restart your iPhone to clear transient issues. Doing these steps first prevents common hiccups and sets a clean baseline for troubleshooting slow-motion performance. Now focus on how you record. Lock exposure and focus with a long press so the camera doesn't hunt mid-shot, which causes stutter. Turn off HDR, live photo, and filters because they add processing overhead. Simpler pipelines reduce dropped frames. Use a tripod or gimbal to avoid motion blur that mimics slow performance. Also make sure airplane mode is off if you want metadata, but disable background syncing to prevent CPU spikes. These steps improve capture consistency and reduce processing lag. Finish by exporting correctly. Trim in Photos or iMovie and export using the original FPS to preserve smoothness. If playback is choppy, transcode in a trusted app to a consistent frame rate. Mismatched FPS can cause perceived slowness. Once exported, review on another device to isolate playback versus file issues. If problems persist, check settings for iOS updates or reset camera settings. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a short 120 FPS clip after each change to confirm the specific fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.